Ako si Arnel, ang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine ng XP600. Ang aming printer head. Ito ang aming cupping. Clean. Shing! Punasan ng wiper pagtapos mag-head clean. Nozzle test. Ang aming ABR, ground bar at waste tank. Aming use supply. Aming in-use supply. Naman ang aming workload ng aming printer checklist, ang aming consumable, yellow, cyan, black, magenta, at white.